Okay, let's get you started on the Growth Accelerator Program. In this, you're going to have access to, of course, the funnel design on demand at a fraction of the cost. Plus, you're going to get priority support in our Slack group when designing those funnels. Next, you're going to get is our A to Z marketing automation course, in which case it's going to teach you organic marketing and how to run paid ads. Next thing you're going to get is all of our design content, media assets, copywriting, ad swipe files, the works. Every single funnel niche is going to have their own ad swipe file, in which cases I have the copy, a couple of examples of ad pictures, and even some basic targeting that you should be hitting with those ads. Cool. Next thing that you're going to get, and probably one of my most favorite things, is what I call the Blade Hotline. In the Blade Hotline, you're going to have a semi-private chat in which you can turn to, in which me or another funnel building expert and marketing expert is going to be able to chat with you directly over chat and pretty much stay one step ahead of you. So if you have any questions regarding marketing or automation, turn to this chat for help, because we're going to get you, we're going to have your back, okay? We're going to be the backbone of your marketing and automation solution, okay? Click the link down below, make your investment today. Do not hesitate, because this is going to grow your business, which is why it's called the Growth Accelerator Program for a reason. Click the link down below and I'll see you at the top. Peace out.